Jaod bura ma Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro oseopinyo wache wigino mowacho ni nyau mare manyocho kelo midhiero e ng'anyo ma odiochieng' ma Sabasaba. Nyoro ma oloso Kiharu penjo timo fwamb kich ma ng'weyo maling'ling nigo ni mar owinjore bed ni ne gifwenyo chenro maricho mag ketho mwandu kod tulo kendo piny owacho geng'o chenrogo kapok otimore.
Is squarely responsible for either omission or commission. Na mwacha kupea Wakenya tu story mingi kila wakati. We can see through the lies. We can see through, and we know for sure either the government was involved or it abetted those crimes and criminalities. Siku ya Monday ni serikali peke yake ilikuwa inalinda mabarabara zetu zote. Kama ni serikali ililinda mabarabara, wale walipita kuchoma mali ya watu walipita wapi? Some of the narratives being crafted are crafted using government machinery, using government resources, both human resources and monetary resources. Na pesa ya Wakenya hatutakubali itumike ati serikali yenyewe ndio inaleta narratives za kugawanya Wakenya. Kama mtu anataka watu wagawanyike, aende agawanye kwake, sio kwa Wakenya. You have benefited in the past by dividing Kenyans. This time round, there is no Kenyan who will hate the other Kenyan for anyone to benefit.